Hey guys, welcome back to the motherfreaking Chanel. I hope you guys are doing good today. We're going to be unboxing and checking out the March YourNailLab partnered with Christina Couture. This is so cute. We get some AB rhinestones. They're like the multicolored rhinestones in this little mini case. We also get a pack of some butterfly charms. They're like really big, but they're super cute. We get two Macart acrylics. They're Pro line. They're 1 ounce and they come sealed. I just took it off so I could show you guys, but this is the first one. So 2 acrylics come in this, and then you also get a third surprise. So I got a white and clear. That's what comes in her kit. And then for the little surprise, I got one of Macart's dip powders. And yeah, I'll show you guys some swatches in a little bit. But that one is sweet and sparkling. So pretty cute. The next thing we get is a pack of nail decals, nail stickers. We get 2 gel polishes. And then we also get a big old bag of false nails stilettos. So I'm going to show you guys some swatches of the gel polish. I personally love Macart's gel polish. It's on the thicker, creamier side, but I'll show you guys what 1 coat looks like and then what 2 coats looks like. So I absolutely love these 2 colors together, giving me spring vibes, super cute and girly, and totally reminds me of Christina. So I wonder why Macart is doing collaborations with the nail box and not polygel kits. So let me know down below what you guys think about that. I know Emily, Susanna, and Femi got polygel kits, but everybody else has been getting YourNailLab box subscriptions, which is kind of interesting. But either way, it's cool, it's cute. So I just showed you what the 1 coat of purple looks like. Here's the second coat and the second coat of blue. That was the first coat. Here's the second coat. So you can totally build it up, keep it more sheer, whatever you want, but they're super pigmented. And like I said, these colors just go so cute together. I feel like you can do so much with this kit. So I'm going to do some acrylics today. I'm using my Ina Couture Sailor Moon brush, and I'm just going to be doing some swatches really quick for you guys. This is the clear. So the clear had a couple little bubbles for me in it. I'm not sure if that's because I didn't mix up the container or what was going on, but yeah, I just like had a couple bubbles in it. So let me know if you use acrylic a lot, what that means. But these were really easy to work with. They were really creamy, really pigmented, and I actually enjoyed them. I saw some people giving mixed reviews, but like this white, you can just see how creamy it is. They did take a little while to set, so they were like on the slower side. So if that's your preference, you know, just so you guys know. But the white was really pretty. And then this dip powder, I just tried it as acrylic and it did work. It wasn't as good as the white and the clear, like the consistency. It took me a lot more to get this swatch down, but it did still work, and it would be cute like on top of something, you know. But yeah, this color is okay. Like, I don't know, it seemed like it was like part of Christmas or something, but it was still pretty cute nevertheless. So I'm going to show you guys the swatches in a second, but like I said, it's taking a while to build this nail up, so I'm not sure if that's because it was dip powder. But here are the 3 swatches. Not everybody got that dip powder one in their box. You get a random gift. So, and here's a shot of the bubbles. I don't know if you guys could see, but I'm going to show you how clear it came out over this butterfly, and then I did put top coat on the bottom as well. So here are my natural nails. We're going to do some nail prep really quick. I'm going to start off by taking my Mia's Secret dehydrator and putting that on each of the nails. I'm going to let that dry completely, and then I'm going to go in with my Mia's Secret primer and put that on every single nail and let it dry completely before we go in with the next step. You don't cure your dehydrated primer, it just dries on itself. This part's optional, but I love my Beetles nail strengthener. And I'm just going to apply that on each of the nails, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I love this because it just gives like an extra added layer. My nails always stay really protected, and I just think it's bomb. I've tried nails with it and without it, and I always go back to it because it's just like one of those products that is just part of my routine now. After that, I'm taking my new little lamp you guys saw on my next video, in my last video, and I'm just going to cure that like I said, and then I'm going to go in with some Macart base coat, and once again apply that evenly to all the nails and then cure it for 30 seconds, and then we'll be ready to do some nails. I also go in with some peel off base coat after I'm done with this part. I don't add that in the video, but just so you know, I do add that. And you can get like a ton of different kinds. It doesn't matter. They all work. And this lamp, like I said, was in my last video. It's a UV lamp partnered with a nail drill, and it's really cute and convenient. So my nails are all prepped, and here are the tips I'm using. I'll link them below. They're from AliExpress. They're like $4. And I'm doing a takeover from Macart, so you guys are going to see a couple fingers that I don't leave in today. But I'm going to be doing some DIY press-on acrylic nails using the LazyGirl method. I love doing this with acrylic. It's super easy, super fast, and the nails just look bomb. And if you aren't comfortable with acrylics, then you still can use them and doing some really cute sets. So as you saw, I'm just taking like medium-sized beads, and I start at the tip and work my way down to the cuticle. That's because when we get to the cuticle area, we want it to still be a little bit tacky and a little bit wet, so when we press it onto our natural nail, it sticks. As you guys know, acrylic hardens on itself, so if you let it completely harden, it won't obviously apply to your nail. If you do that and it gets completely hard, that's totally fine. You can just take a clear bead of acrylic and put a little bit of clear bead on your natural nail and then press the press-on nail on top of it, and it will just stick together by itself. So it is so easy. I'm using my little dual form clips to put it on each of the nail too, just to ensure that it sticks down without me like bumping it or it coming off on accident, and let it sit for like a good minute just to let it harden to my natural nail and make sure that it's not going to pop off and be flimsy. These nails will last you if you do your prep really good. You don't have to put base coat down like how I did during my nail prep. You can skip that and then just go on top of your nail with, so after you do primer dehydrator, you can go on with your nails, and they'll last even longer, I'm sure. I just do base coat because I do a lot of sets and it protects me, but if you want to just put these on your primed and dehydrated nails, that's totally fine as well. I turn the nail over to make sure I got all of it covered up nice and even. You don't want too much, because when you go to apply it to your nail, you don't want it to get squirt out the bottom. So I usually flip it over and slide it out in case it did get kind of bunched up under there. But yeah, I love using these dual form clips to keep it on, just because you don't cure these. The acrylic just naturally hardens to your natural nail, and so you don't need a lamp or anything like that. And the dual form clip just helped it really stay secure and stay on and let me keep moving with the set without having to hold it onto my natural nail for like a minute, So I'm doing all of these white. We were only given 2 acrylics and one was clear, so white was pretty much the only thing I could really do. So I just go white with all of these, and I love white. It's so chic and pretty and feminine and classy. So I was like, let's do some white nails today and then just go really cute with the decorations on top of it. So that's what we're doing. I saw a lot of people really sad. I know a lot of people have unsubscribed from YourNailLab. They weren't getting what they were promised they were going to be getting. Boxes would say you're going to get one thing and then you didn't, and you ended up getting a whole different box. So I completely understand, and I just want to be able to support Christina in this one. So I have all the nails on, and I'm just going to go and buff the surface of them all, and then once I'm done buffing them, I'm going to take some alcohol and then just wipe off all of the dust and make sure they're all ready to go for some top coat. Here's my thumb I did off camera. I tried to do a 3D print, what's it called? French tip, but I don't know. I just don't really like how it came out. It was kind of bumpy and lumpy, and so I was like, screw it. After I did that, I just forgot to kind of file the cuticle, so I'm going to do that really fast and then apply top coat to all the nails. I'm not going in with base coat today because the nails were really smooth, and using that alcohol really just got everything off of it. So I'm going in with top coat. And that's because I'm going to be doing some more French tips, and I just want to be able to remove it easily and have it be like, I don't know, it's just easier to remove nail art on top of top coat than it is just like your natural nail without top coat on it. So that's just my preference. Do whatever works for you. But I'm taking the purple color, putting that in this little dish thing, and then I'm taking my super long nail brush by Beetles, and I'm just going to be drawing a French tip. So this is the easiest way for me to do French. I do a line down the center. No, I do a line vertical of where I want the French tip to be, and then I do 2 lines up on each side of the nail and then just round it out. It's super easy, guys. Like, I was really not confident with French tips for a long time, but doing it like this is so easy. So definitely try it. Sorry guys, try it if you want. And then after I do this, I just take the gel polish and then like the regular brush, and I just fill in the tip. And then I didn't put it on camera, but I did take a polygel brush and I put some acetone on it, and I just kind of curved out the smile line a little bit better. And yeah, it was super easy. This nail took me like 5 minutes, if that. So definitely recommend it. Like I was saying earlier, I know a ton of people have unsubscribed from their boxes with YourNailLab. Makes me super sad because these boxes have so much potential. I was a little bit bummed that I got that dip powder in this. Like, I wish it would have been a color that matched, or like a polygel or something, just because if you were to get that dip powder and you didn't have any of the dip powder tools, like all the other stuff you need for it, you wouldn't really be able to use it, you know what I mean? So that made me a little bit bummed. But here are all the stickers that come in the nail decal we get in this box. They are so beautiful, you guys. Like, there's like 7 sheets of stickers, and each one's different and unique and just so cute. So I did 2 French tips, and then I'm going to go in on the pinky and put some butterfly stickers. Like I said, I kept a couple nails out because I'm doing a takeover from Ricart, and I had to do it the vertical way so that it fits on Instagram Reels and TikTok and stuff. So that's why this video is a little bit shorter, but hopefully you guys are able to learn something. And then I'm just going to go in with some rhinestones, and I'm just going to follow that smile line and put these clear rhinestones all around the smile line. I thought it looked so cute. And yeah, so like if you don't get your smile line perfect, then just cover it with some rhinestones, girl, and it'll look just so bomb. I'm then taking this little 3D charm I have, putting some rhinestone glue behind it, and then I'm just going to put this. I thought it was really cute. It like matched, and it's not too big. And yeah, just like a fun little touch I wanted to add. So I'm going to try to get that in the right spot, hurry and cure it so it doesn't move on me. And then I'm taking the butterflies. So I really wanted to use them today, but they were way too big for me. So I was like, let's put it on a ring. So I'm taking some nail glue, put it on the back of the butterfly, took a random ring that I have, and make sure it was all stuck and nice and in the right spot. And then I'm just going to pop that on after I do some cuticle oil really quick, and then take some photos for you guys. So if you have big charms like this, you don't know what to do, they just aren't really like your thing. Like, I think they're so gorgeous, but they're just too big. Like, I couldn't like take care of my daughter with that on, and it would probably fall off. So I was like, let's put it as a ring, and I think that will look so freaking cute, which it did. So if you guys do this set or do the ring with the butterfly, make sure to tag me, send me some pictures on Instagram so I can repost it and show you some love and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Congrats to you, Christina. I'm so happy and proud of you for this box. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think in the description. I'll talk to you later. Bye.